Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here how to find fundamental period for the given signal x of t cos of pi by 3 t plus sine of pi by 4 t. How can you find the fundamental period? So when you observe x of t, this is given signal, it having two periodic signals are there. So this is one periodic signal and this is another periodic signal. So for this periodic signal, the frequency is omega 1 equal to pi by 3, and for this periodic signal frequency is pi by 4. Now find the corresponding time periods. So for this time period is t1 equal to 2 pi by omega 1, and for this t2 equal to 2 pi by omega 2. So y means, so omega is nothing but 2 pi f. So omega is angular frequency, it can be written as 2 pi f. So from this we get f equal to omega by 2 pi. But here we want time. So for time and frequency relation is, so inverse of frequency nothing but time. So inverse it on both sides becomes 1 by f, that's equal to 2 pi by omega. So 1 by f is time, so time equal to 2 pi by omega. So this is the standard formula. So now for this signal, the time period is t1 by 2 pi by omega, and for this 2 pi by omega 2. Now substitute omega 1 value here, we will get t1 equal to 2 pi by 3, and here t2 equal to 2 pi by omega 2 is pi by 4. So here pi cancel and it becomes 3 on the numerator. So 3 2s are 6, and here pi cancel becomes 8. So t1 we got 6 and t2 we got 8. Now we have individual time periods, that is t1 equal to 6 and t2 equal to 8. Now we can easily find fundamental period. So let's consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So divide on both sides, it becomes t1 by t2, that's equal to 6 by 8. Simplify it, it becomes 3 by 4. Now cross multiply. 4 t1 equal to 3 t2. Fundamental period is a function of t1 or t2. So whether this equation or equation both are equal, so it gives fundamental period. So take this one. So fundamental period in terms of t1 it becomes 41. So whenever the fundamental period in terms of t2 it becomes 3t2. Now take this one as 4 t1, it gives fundamental period, that is 4 into t1 we got 6, that is 24 seconds. Or take this one, that is 3 t2, it becomes 3 into t2 is 8, that is 8 is 24. So 24 seconds is the fundamental period for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.